You guys ready to go? So I feel bad for my neighbors a little bit with that cold start. Just a little bit, but it's for a good cause. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now we're heading to our usual Cops, Cars, and Coffee, where the local police department puts on just a nice little event for most people to just get together, hang out. But normally by now, it's a little cold here in PA. Now normally all the car shows are done by now, but this one's a special one. They're putting together a toy drive. So we have a bunch of people hopefully coming out. I know Mike and I have been spreading the word, but a bunch of people coming out bringing a toy to share. We got our toys all strapped in, ready to go, so. How's my puppy? How is my puppy? Piglet. Good morning. I'll see more of you later, okay? All right, cool. We are ready to go. This should be a great day. So Turner's got the bears in the back. Look at the bear out there. That's awesome, Mike. Some good turnout so far. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully more people come out as it warms up and gets a little nicer out.
And we got a call about several cars racing on the opposite lanes on Nyes Road, okay? So please, we want to host this event again, and we've done in the past successfully. So if you guys want to be stupid, please do not come here and put it in jeopardy for the rest of us. I ask you nicely.
Mike was here the whole time.
I was here the whole time.
Yeah, Turner and Mike were here the entire time. Mike, what are you doing on Nyes Road?
That wasn't a no. He called me. He's like, that wasn't you guys. I was like, no.
No. We were literally doing like 35 miles an hour.
I have a bear strapped to my roof. I'm out racing.
All right, you two are coming with me. We're gonna go donate these fellas to a new home. Have fun at your new home. Good morning, sir. Hey, look, it's cold again. Why are we always together when it's freezing in the morning?
I think it's you.
It's me? Really? Whoa! That's what I'm talking about. Don't mind my camo gloves. Nice! Everyone's got the antlers. I missed the antler memo. I didn't. I missed. Yeah, I missed the antler memo. It would have been good though.
When we saw your picture, I was like, ah.
I always like Brian's car. Really clean. You guys saw this on the track day video with it. NSX. This is the one that has the GRP.
Yes.
So it's got
Graham Rahal Performance and GRP exhaust.
One of the first. One of the first?
Number one, I think.
Besides
Mr. Rahal.
Number one. So Graham, if you're watching, there's your black NSX.
Because when I was looking for Gallardo, some of them.
You guys remember my green Gallardo? It wasn't a Spider, but it was a Verde Ithaca, similar to Mike's color. Piglet. Are you all bundled up? Huh? Yeah, you all bundled up? No, oh, we're still gnawing things, huh? We got Rick's AMG, Lonnie's Performante, Mike's My 12C, Beaver's car, John's Raptor, nice Bentley. So you guys can see a pretty decent turnout so far. Hey Bobby.
Troy.
So. How you doing? Mike.
What's up, Troy?
Gina.
A little chilly.
Morning.
Hi.
Piglet. Morning.
Good morning.
Sure, these RDS jackets are great, but
I know, they were like windproof. Yeah. not a sponsored video.
Not a
at all.
sponsored video.
Definitely a sponsored video.
Definitely a sponsored video.
Thank you,
I wish.
Philly. Yeah, I wish. Hey, McLaren Philly, where's the sponsored video? Yeah.
Also, Troy's is really nice.
Well, there's some
organized.
hair
Mine
on there.
is filthy.
Well, this is
Dirt
from
all
the
over it.
getting the truck out.
Yeah,
Right?
well, I like the jacket so much I wear it to do everything.
Well, it's warm. It's really warm.
It is nice. It's nice. Chad, please send me another one. Thank you.
Look at this turnout. We have a bunch of stuff here. Another chunk of stuff here. We have a bunch of stuff here. Don't mind Mike.
Don't mind me.
All sorts of bears and stuff here. You get the Duramax filled up even. So this is Mike's been giving away some stuff for people who are donating, but the Duramax is all filled up. So it's been a pretty awesome day. Great turnout. I wasn't expecting this. I don't think the police were expecting this. So thank you guys, everybody who came out and participated. Here is Ryan. What a car. Color combos. You made it. You made it. I didn't know if you were coming out. What's up, buddy? It's been a while. Hanging in there.
As much as I can fit. How's that?
Oh boy. That's what I did. I strapped it all in the front seat.
Yeah.
Look at that. Come with your own bag and everything, because we were looking for extra trash bags. Just look at this thing. I love the blue calipers. Even the Lamborghini right here is color matched.
Such a nice spec.
Everything's matte, so you have the matte carbon on the back here on the wing. So this is matte carbon here. The SV's painted on, and then you can see in here. So it's Alcantara, the blue, all the blue. Such a gorgeous spec. Ryan, if you don't follow him, Tu Veloce Lambo on Instagram. Amazing car. And it's a roadster. So the back's here, gloss carbon, all gloss carbon on the dash. All this is carbon. I love the pull handle. I love the leather strap. I don't know if you guys can see, there's a little bit of pearl in there. Just a little bit of pearl, but beautiful color. It's like a highlighter yellow. This is why I love the car community, because we're all a bunch of idiots. So it's a bunch of idiots getting together to do some good. Check that out. A lot of toys today.
Just pack them up.
Don't wake the baby. Up.
Oh,
She's up.
God, that's a she's up.
Well guys, thank you to everybody who stopped out and pretty much donated a toy. If you guys can see here, I'll try to zoom in. A lot of toys. The squad car is full of teddy bears, so definitely awesome to see. I think we're going to definitely try to plan to do this next year and the following year. Mikey was saying he'd love to continue to see this grow. So I'm happy to come out and support. And again, thank you to everybody who came out in the cold. It actually wasn't too cold. The wind died down, so that was pretty nice. But I'm going to go grab some food, head back to the house. Welcome to the garage. Now before we get started on this part of the video, this will be a quick Q&A here. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram at Troy Sowers, make sure you do. I do some Q&As from time to time, maybe not as frequent as I'd like, but that gives you guys the opportunity to ask me questions more formally, as well as kind of interact with me on a platform outside of YouTube. I post more regularly on Instagram. It's just easier for me to do so. So if you guys like to see what I'm getting into, make sure you give me a follow there. So I posted up a picture today with Mike and a couple other guys at Big Car Show, and I said I was doing a Q&A, and apparently I think a lot of you guys think that this was Mike posting. I'm going through the questions, and there's literally like 95% of the questions are directed towards Mike. So I can't really answer that, guys. So I'm Not sure if you just saw Mike's car in the picture, probably, and just assumed it was Mike posting. I know he does a lot of these Q&As, so I apologize for that, but I'm going to sort at the newest first, so we're at the top, and work my way down, and we'll see what we get to. What was your reason for buying the McLaren and not another Lambo? If you guys don't know, I had a 2006 Lamborghini Gallardo before this car behind me here. I loved it. It was a great car, but I really wanted to kind of start doing some more track stuff. I'm also a really kind of technical and detail-oriented guy. And the McLaren fits that bill. You know, back when I was looking, the 570 had just come out, and the 12Cs, even to this day, are still the best car you could buy for the money in that platform, in that supercar platform. And the McLaren is just, it's a way faster car. Do you want to build a snowman? No, I'm not a big fan of snow. Is there any Japanese car you would ever own? R34 Skyline. What vehicle do you see in your garage next and when? Hopefully a truck here soon. I've been saying it for a while. What is the fuel mileage in the 12C? It's really not too bad. Cruising on the highway, 15, 16, 17, 18 miles a gallon. Really, it's actually pretty good. But when you're on it and you're Flintstoning it and your foot's through the floor, it's like 2. It's really, really bad. Ever thought about a drift car? Possibly. I don't know where I'd put it. I'm not a huge drift guy. I respect the sport. I love it. That's a whole different talent, a whole different ball game. Any plans to get a new daily? I know you talked about getting the Raptor. I'll come back to the Raptor questions. That's another question from Mike. What new car would replace the 12C if I had to? New car, 600 LT, 720. What did you do before YouTube? It's probably directed towards Mike, but I still work full time. These are literally, guys, these are all directed towards Mike. Planning on getting a different supercar anytime soon? I don't know. I've thought about it. A lot of people actually ask me this. They always tell me to upgrade, and I'm really happy with the 12C, and I guess it's easier for you guys to sit there and say upgrade, 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 but I have no reason, no excuse to upgrade, and usually I'm all about making poor decisions and wanting to upgrade, but this car, I do love this car. It's been well taken care of. The guys at McLaren Philadelphia always take good care of it. They know the car in and out, from the tech side, the service side. So I'm just happy with it right now. I just don't find a need to necessarily have to upgrade right now. What is your plan with the 12C? Any more mods to it? Potentially maybe another set of wheels here, and possibly a exhaust. I have the factory sports exhaust right now with Soul Performance downpipes. Potentially maybe talking with them about swapping that sports exhaust out, although it's kind of difficult to do so because that's a pretty darn good exhaust from the factory. When's the Gallardo coming back? I don't think it's ever going to come back. It was a great car, loud, obnoxious, totally Lambo in every way, but compared to this thing, I'm taking the 12C all day. Why don't you guys associate with Nick and Jack anymore? I just don't see anybody. I rarely see Mike anymore. I have no problem saying hi to those guys or anything like that. These are all more questions about the 720 with Mike, more Grandpa Corvette questions. Mike, if you're watching, everybody's asking about Grandpa Corvette and when it's coming back, so you might want to update some people on that. Street Speed 717, is it true that you once owned a mini horse named Sroy Towers? No, but that sounds like a good t-shirt idea. Jonathan Turner, man, oh, here we go. Is it true he takes his t-shirts to the dry cleaners? Let me give you a little backstory on that real quick and we'll move on. So I was hanging out with Turner, Mike, and a couple other people, and Turner decided to spill purple Red Bull all over my brand new t-shirt. Like, I just got the t-shirt the night before. Very nice t-shirt. Gotta take that to the dry cleaners, see if we can get it taken care of. So that was the first time I've ever taken a t-shirt to the dry cleaners. Next steps in your IT career, suggestions for noobs. Do you see your side hustle becoming your main job? How much should be spent on a fun car in respect to your income? Let me just kind of step back in career. As I mentioned, I'm in the information technology field in healthcare. Consultant, I'm a voice engineer, a network engineer. That's what I do by day. It takes a lot of my time during the day. Do I see my side job becoming my main job? So I run Detail Lab. I own Detail Lab. It's a detailing company here. And I would love for that to become my main job, of course. But I do love my career in information technology. It's a very rewarding career for what I do in the industry that I'm in. But yeah, it'd be nice to see Detail Lab be able to sustain my income and my goals moving onward. Can we get a Raptor update? I'll go back to that again. Exotic Whips TV. Saw your post on McLaren Life. Would love to hear your thoughts on Hoovie's Garage MP4. So Hoovie's Garage, you guys probably seen a video or two of them. He bought a 12C, and on the forums, a video was posted up about that, and it got delivered with a transmission fault. And my comment on that was a hopeful comment that Hoovie's Garage, even though that there was a transmission fault, that he gets that taken care of with the warranty. And he goes out and he enjoys the car. There's a lot of bad rap on McLarens in general. They're not reliable, this and that. You know, you have to compliment McLaren on where they've come in 7 years, especially from the 12C up until now. Even the 12Cs though, the more you drive these cars, the better they are. So hopefully Hoovie's car, he can get it all taken care of, get it bumped up, and go out and just enjoy the crap out of it. And you have to drive these cars. McLarens don't like to sit. Believe it or not, you guys don't think I drive my car. I do drive my car. I just don't film every 2 seconds of it. So the more you drive these cars, the better they are, and I can promise you that. Anybody who owns these cars knows that. So hopefully Hoovie's gets out, he gets everything taken care of, and just shares some content with the world. They're great cars, again, for the money. It's tough to beat. Raptor question, Raptor question. All right, we'll end this with the Raptor question, because everything else is apparently from Mike. It's still on the way. I know I've said that. Matt Beaver has been looking for what I want. I want a Gen 1 at this point. I think we've talked about this. I really want a Gen 1. I don't have a need for a Gen 2. I want the V8. And I'm looking for a really specific combination, a color combo. And every one that we find is either beat to crap and it's modded out, or it's missing one of the key options that I really want. Now, obviously, I can take care of that via aftermarket, but I want what I want. I'm gonna spend my money on something that it's really, you know, I don't feel pressured to rush into buying something. I will find what I want at some point, and Beaver will find it for me, and we'll get it, but it's just patience. So hopefully, I am planning on getting rid of the G37 and picking up a Raptor. That is coming. I wish I could tell you guys when. When it does come, you will definitely know about it, and you guys will definitely be a part of the build. And I say build, it's not going to be like a lifted monster truck, but there'll be some stuff I have up here brewing for it. I'm sure Mike will take it out and do all the things that Mike does with it. So it is still coming. I know I haven't talked about it much lately, but I would like to see it coming here. I just want to find the one that I want. There's not many of what I'm looking for out there right now, especially Gen 1. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, everybody who came out to the Cops, Cars, and Coffees, thank you very much for your donations. I know Mikey really appreciated that. The police, the township, everybody appreciated that, and we're excited that the car community can facilitate that and bring a lot of people together, even when it's 22 degrees outside. So again, if you guys like what you see, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Giving this video a nice big thumbs up will help get my content out there. So make sure you guys smash that like button. Make sure you click that red subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next video.